Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here.
AXIORY positions itself as a broker built around execution transparency, platform choice, and trader control rather than mass market gimmicks. One of AXIORY's most noticeable strengths is the flexibility it gives traders in how they access the market. The broker supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which immediately makes it attractive to both traditional MT users and traders who prefer depth of market visibility and advanced order handling. Execution is generally smooth, with a strong emphasis on market-based pricing rather than internal dealing desk intervention, which appeals to scalpers, algorithmic traders, and those running EAs. AXIORY also puts a lot of focus on risk management and account transparency. Features like negative balance protection, flexible leverage settings, depending on jurisdiction, and detailed trade reporting make the platform feel structured and professional rather than promotional. Traders often highlight stable platform performance during normal market conditions, and the broker's infrastructure feels built for consistency instead of flashy extras. Educational resources are present and practical, covering trading basics, platform usage, and market concepts without overselling unrealistic outcomes. On the downside, AXIORY is not a feature-heavy ecosystem broker. You won't find built-in copy trading communities, social feeds, or aggressive bonus campaigns. Research tools are functional, but not as extensive as what you see on large multi-asset platforms. For traders who want all-in-one analytics dashboards, sentiment tools, or social trading elements, AXIORY may feel minimalist. Some users also note that the brand is less widely recognized than major global brokers, which can matter for traders who prioritize long public track records or name recognition. In terms of reputation and background, AXIORY was established in 2011 and has spent over a decade building a presence focused on execution quality and localized support. The company emphasizes regional teams and trader accessibility rather than a one-size-fits-all global approach. This slower, controlled expansion has helped AXIORY build credibility among traders who value responsiveness and direct communication over rapid scaling. While it doesn't market itself aggressively, its longevity and operational consistency are often cited as quiet strengths. Now, moving to pricing and account structure, AXIORY offers multiple account types designed to match different trading styles. These include Nano, Standard, Max, Tierer, Alpha, and Zero accounts, each with different spread structures, platform access, and commission models. Some accounts focus on raw or near raw spreads with per lot commissions, while others build costs directly into the spread for simplicity. Minimum deposits are generally low across most account types, making the broker accessible without forcing large upfront commitments. Overall trading costs depend on the selected account, traded instruments, and volume, but the structure is clear and upfront rather than confusing or promotional.
Cobra Trading is engineered for one specific audience: active equity and options traders who care about routing control, speed, and cost efficiency above everything else. The platform ecosystem supports DAS Trader Pro, Sterling Trader Pro, and web-based access, giving traders advanced hotkeys, level 2 data, direct market access routing, and deeply customizable layouts designed for rapid, high-frequency decision-making. With more than 40 routing options available, including ECNs, dark pools, and market maker routes, traders can actively manage liquidity rebates, execution priority, and slippage. This is not a beginner platform. It is purpose-built for traders who already understand market structure and want granular, institutional-style control. The strengths of Cobra Trading are clear: ultra-competitive per-share equity pricing, low options commissions, no minimum order fees, and serious routing flexibility that appeals to high-volume traders. Those trading significant monthly share volume can benefit from tiered pricing, ECN rebates, and relatively competitive margin rates compared to mainstream brokers. The trade-off is complexity and cost layering. Professional platforms carry monthly software fees unless volume thresholds are met, market data subscriptions add recurring costs, and the learning curve is steep for newer traders. This is not a simplified app-based experience. It assumes experience, discipline, and an understanding of trading costs beyond commissions alone. Historically, Cobra Trading has positioned itself as a specialist broker, serving professional and semi-professional traders rather than casual investors. Its long-standing focus on direct market access, short selling availability, and professional-grade execution tools has made it a recognizable name among US day traders and high-frequency equity traders, but far less relevant for long-term buy-and-hold investors. Pricing reflects that specialization. Equity commissions are charged on a per-share basis, with rates decreasing as monthly volume increases. Options are priced per contract using similar volume-based tiers. Platform access is provided through DAS Trader Pro and Sterling Trader Pro, each with a monthly software fee that can be waived if trading activity meets required thresholds. Market data is billed separately, with different pricing for non-professional and professional users. Account types include individual, joint, corporate, LLC, partnership, and trust accounts, along with margin-enabled structures subject to pattern day trading rules and minimum equity requirements. There are no order minimums, but administrative fees apply for services such as ACAT transfers and regulatory actions. Looking at independent sentiment, AXIORY holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.0, with customer feedback frequently highlighting reliable execution, stable platforms, tight spreads, and overall confidence in trading conditions. Some reviews note slower customer support response times, but complaints rarely focus on trust or withdrawals. Cobra Trading holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.2 based on limited feedback, with mixed sentiment that reflects its niche positioning. Traders acknowledge strong execution and routing depth, while pointing out platform complexity and cost structure rather than execution reliability. Final takeaway: if your priority is clean execution, familiar professional platforms, and a balanced cost structure for Forex and CFD trading, AXIORY delivers a focused and reliable environment. If you are an experienced equity or options trader who needs advanced routing control, per-share pricing, and institutional-style tools, Cobra Trading is built for that exact workflow. If this breakdown helped clarify which platform actually fits how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading platform comparisons, and click the link below to explore the platform that matches your strategy, not just the one with the loudest marketing.